Now we will discuss the internal structure of the kidney, human kidney. So kidney is a bean-shaped structure. Kidney is a bean-shaped structure which is located in a lower abdomen and dorsal side. Now each kidney is surrounded by a layer called renal fascia. This is a layer. Two layers of membranes are found around the kidneys called renal fascia. This is what renal fascia. So innermost renal fascia, over it one more layer we can see, that is called inner one, this black one are renal fascia, and outer one what? Perirenal fascia. Perirenal fascia. Now each kidney is 10 meters long. 10 meters long. How much? 10 centimeters. Sorry, 10 meters, not 10 centimeters. And width 5 to 6 centimeters. 5 to 6 centimeters. And the thickness is around 3 to 4 centimeters. So each kidney 10 centimeters long, 5 to 6 centimeters width, and 3 to 4 centimeters thickness. Now inside the kidney is divided into two parts. The outermost region of the kidney, this area, this all region makes up what? Dark in color, because of this is a dark zone, because more blood vessels are found here and more nephrons are found here. This dark zone is called that is called cortex, renal cortex. And inner zone, this middle area, which is called medulla. This is what? A medulla. So medulla, which is a pale color. Now each kidney is made up of nearly 1.32 to 1.8 millions of tiny structural and functional units called nephrons. So nephrons are the structural and functional unit of kidneys. They are found in a kidneys and they filters the blood. In each kidney 1.3 to 1.8 millions of nephrons are there. If you take up inside the kidney, there are nearly 80 to 85% of the nephrons are found in cortex. Okay. So nephrons are a structural and functional unit of kidneys. Inside the kidney, in that medullary region, we'll see that a cone-shaped tissues which are called renal pyramids. These are the cone-shaped tissues present in a medullary region of kidneys. These are called renal pyramids. Nearly 7 renal pyramids are found in a humans kidneys. So these are what? Renal pyramids. And renal pyramids consist a tubular part of the nephron. These are what? Tubular nephrons simply. So 85% of the nephrons are present in a cortex region, which makes the cortex very dark, and remaining portion of the nephrons found in a which region? Medullary region. Now at the base of the kidneys, that means pyramids, a small tubes opens. These are called renal calyces. These are renal calyces. Now these renal calyces open into a funnel shaped structure. So this is the renal calyces. This area, funnel shaped structure. So the renal calyces open into funnel shaped structure. This funnel shaped structure called pelvis. This pelvis leads to open into a ureter. So this is what? Ureter. Ureter open into bladder. Now the place of kidney, outer side of the kidney is convex and inner side of the kidney is concave. At the concave side there is a small fissure which is called hilum. This small fissure is called hilum. Through the hilum the renal artery enters. So this is the renal artery. It enters through the hilum into the kidneys, and after entering the kidney it will divide into so many fine arteries. And the blood enters the kidney through the renal artery, and the blood is filtered, and the deoxygenated blood without waste comes out through the one more blood vessel, what is the renal vein. So this is what renal vein. So the blood enters the kidney through renal artery, exits through renal vein. Inside what happening? The nephron filters the blood and forms urine. That urine is collected by the ureters into the bladder. From the bladder it goes out through the urethra. This is about the internal structure of the kidney. And on the kidney we will see what? Adrenal gland. Okay, enough about this.